Timber battens must be fixed to the building with spaces of no more than 600mm between the centres. This may have to be decreased in areas of high wind loading. The battens used must be the correct size, and there must be a free airflow cavity of a minimum of 30mm at the rear of the planks. A minimum 10mm gap is required here, here and here. A minimum gap of 150mm is required from the ground level to the bottom of the battens. Fix a waterproof strip where vertical profiles are to be located to ensure the batten is protected from moisture. Fit perforated closures along the bottom of the battens, below windowsills, above window heads and along the soffit line. Position, level and screw the vertical profiles into place. Genuine Cedral profiles will always have an embossed Cedral logo. Position the Cedral starter profile, ensuring it is level, and then screw into place. Place the first Cedral plank onto the Cedral start profile and screw onto every batten.